Dreaming of starting a food business but unsure where to begin? Wouldn't it be amazing to have a guide that helps you navigate the complexities of food dehydration? From high investments to market uncertainties? Welcome to Drybox, a comprehensive training and experience center that empowers you with practical incubation support. Gain insights into product development, packaging, branding, e-commerce, and marketing. How it works. Understanding all novel technologies from product and its price perspective. Run boot camp for product ideation, creation and shelf life testing before they invest in plant and machines. Plus, transform your ideas into actionable plans. Transformative learning. Participants become able to create business milestones using scientific tools. Boost conviction in business venturing. Help them to build a sustainable business foundation. Sounds exciting? Don't risk your investment. Join Drybox for essential training and incubation.